So today I really wanted to talk about evolution. Evolution is really talking about changes in the genetic makeup of entire populations. But what does that really mean? How do those changes in the genetic makeup occur? Let's watch this colony of sticky notes to see how different kinds of events result in evolution. So, in order for evolution to occur, there needs to be genetic variation. This is usually a result of what we call mutations in genes which occur randomly through time. So for example, our sticky note colony already had 4 different color genes when we discovered it, and they each make up 1/4 of our population. So one day, some of the sticky notes got blown away in the wind and they found this cool, fun new island to live on. They decided to stay there, and the sticky notes in each colony thrive, they're reproducing, but the genetic makeup of this new island of sticky notes is really different from the original colony. This is what we call the founder effect. So when you have a new settlement of random individuals, they can have very different genes overall from the original settlement they came from, and this population now looks nothing like the original population of sticky notes. Another way that genes can change in the population is through something called gene flow. So this is when migration occurs between established populations. One of the green sticky notes has heard about this cool new island and has decided to move in, changing the genes of the new population once again. Natural selection is a non-random process, and it occurs when some aspect of the environment favors some genes more than other genes. So our sticky notes have been alone on their islands until now. There are no other species, but today a predator has moved in and it starts to hunt our sticky notes. Oh no! Purple and green sticky notes are fast and hard to catch, but the blue and the orange sticky notes are slow. And the predator starts to eat them. How does this change our population? Well, now there are far fewer orange and blue sticky notes between our two colonies, and far more of the purple and green. Sometimes a major event can cause what's called a population bottleneck. The population is severely reduced, sometimes completely randomly, and the survivors can have a completely different genetic makeup than what was there before that event. For example, a meteor has hit the second sticky note colony. The orange sticky notes are completely extinct now, and our genetic makeup is now 0 orange, 1/5 blue, 7/20 purple, and 9 out of 20 green. Our population of sticky notes has evolved.